Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today I will show you how easy you can clean your USB-C charging port. So as you can see, something is inside and we are going to remove it with a really easy way. But at the first you have to prepare some kind of the very thin object like this one. You can also use any other household item. But at the first I'm going to zoom in to get you a better view of this USB-C port. That's making like that. I think that right now you will see it clearly. So let's grab our item, and then we have to put it right here, and then we have to make gently moves. Remember to do it slowly and don't break this port inside. So as you can see, inside we can find the dust. Here we can find also some kind of the, I don't know, it's kind of a paper or something like that. I think that we can go for the second side right here. Maybe we'll find also here. Yeah, and here you can spot the dust also. And I'm gonna to repeat, but remember to do it slowly. Okay, and let's take a look inside if it is something else. Okay, and I think that right now everything is fine. Let's make the last move from the both sides. Yeah, definitely. Right now it's clean and we can easily input our USB-C cable and then charge our smartphone. So as you can see, it was very easy. It was very easy. So I hope that right now you will be able to fix and clean your USB-C charging port in the smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.